ANC vote for Ramaphosa. He'll never say it. Uzosha bobani abombalula. Because of yena uhlala nabo bani nabombalula. Abombalula, they are the ones who need to go there to serve ukusho ukuthi vote for ANC. Yena Barnabas, he will never say it. Unama boy who need to say it.
Yeah.
Who are working for him. Yes, baba.
Ngicela sibe ne conversation engeke sifuna ukujahele ukudefenda sisimamelaneni ne
because elakho angeke ningitshela ukuthi utlofodiswa kimndim how ka kholela ho Barnabas ka tiye utlomthola ngwane.
Whoever that is telling you that is lost
kanjani
ngene esontweni waba nomuntu ozokutshela ukuthi upolice uBarnabas
Lothi bayasho lothi
lothi bayasho
hayi abanye ngisebenza nabo bayasho
yeah they are wrong.
And Lothi ngicela ukukhuluma into eyi-1 yes
one rotten potato can spoil the whole packet. Angisho iMutsipe Foundation sayibona sonke ne.
Yes.
iBishop yeZion Christian Church uShembe nabo labomdise laba, I'm talking about African traditional churches now.
Yes.
Are they saying uNkulunkulu kaShembe uNkulunkulu kaBarnabas, or are they saying arapeleng ka lebitso la Morena Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth la ntate le moro le moyo halalelang?
Ai Lothi asigugule sibone
ukuthi before speaking
sisho ukuthi isho kanjalo na
before speaker kumagugu
because of me I don't remember
umadala ne umadala akasho yena leyo
the bishops are not saying
exactly
umadala
but ama congregants Lothi ayasho
amen ngiyavuma. And again I am saying to you,
ayasho ama congregants,
it is not the teaching of the leaders.
Okay,
I'll tell you why wenepi.
Mamela Lothi manje angizoma.
Can I answer ukuthi bayizwe?
Ithi ngicela ukukulungisa kancane. Manje angizokhuluma. uRamaphosa angeke athi iANC vote for Ramaphosa. He'll never say it. Kuzosha bobani abombalula. Because of yena uhlala nabo bani nabombalula. Abombalula, they are the ones who need to go there to serve ukusho ukuthi vote for ANC. Yena Barnabas, he will never say it. Unama boy who need to say it. Who are working for him. Yes, baba.
Ngicela sibe ne conversation engeke sifuna ukujahele ukudefenda sisimamelaneni ne, because what I'm about to say, it needs you guys to listen to it.
Yes.
Okay. uShadrach no Meshach no Abednego ningizwe.
Yes.
Kwathi wana sisithixwa sisithandazeni bathi no, thina sothandaza uNkulunkulu ongabonwa ophila unaphakade.
Khuluma iqiniso lapho.
Uyangizwa?
Yep.
When they were punished babagijimisa ecibeni lomlilo abashanga inkosi yaze yabona umuntu wokusi4 which was their God.
Yes.
On that day onwards, the king watshela isizwe ukuthi starting from today kulento engiyibonile asithandazeni uNkulunkulu kaMeshach, Shadrach no Abednego, uNkulunkulu weqiniso. Right? Meshach, Shadrach and Abednego didn't say pray our God, use our names. So why are we saying with these African spiritual leaders, it is them that are telling their leaders to do that when their leaders are deciding for themselves?
But why are they not reprimanding them?
They doing it daily. Look at khulumu baba wathi ke a utlwa baba ngoba lena le re ke modimo baba ngwe le mpitsa ka tshehla baba ngwe le mpitsa ka nna ke na Dr. Barnabas Edward Lekhanyane, the leader of Zion Christian Church.
Manje why nithi uNkulunkulu ke?
Why
sengisho nina why nisho kanjalo? Okay, asiqhubeke.
Yes, you understand. So abantu basemhlabeni from dala mandulo in the BCs bebanayo vele lento ukuthi nabangakubona mamfundisi wenza imanga, they want to call your God using your name even if you did not tell them. It happened with Meshach, Shadrach and Abednego.
Lothi yes, okay.
Uthesimamele.
Yeah, and monga ibheka nala kubazalwane ikhona. And it is not the pastors that are saying, pray God using my name. It is the congregation. I've heard people so many times saying, you'll never do me anything. The God of measure one is powerful. And when you ask that person, why usho kanjalo ungathi uNkulunkulu kaJesu something athi uBushiri yena ubona izinto angakaza ayibone emntwini onormal. It is the people that are deciding these things. And believe you me, Peggy, now ekusasa mangayenza imihlolo, you will try to prevent people and say, hey, madoda ngumuntu ngifana. Even Jesus, bebathi nabahlangana bamgucela uJesu athi ungangiguceli ngumuntu ngifana nawe. So namhlanje sifuna ukublame abo Barnabas nabo babuShembe, asiblameni noJesu bekabakhuza. Ukuthi ningangiguqeli phansi I'm man just like you.
All right. So angali ke ukuthi uBarnabas yena kasho ukuthi akhonzwe.
Yes.
Uyatry ukubatshela all the time ukuthi mina ngithunyelwe uNkulunkulu yini, I'm just a leader. So even though asho kanjalo, you cannot just go straight ku Barnabas nginje. Ngasuka manje ngaya straight ku Barnabas eLimpopo. Or funeke ngihlolwe kuqala ngathi manje I'm going to see the king, but kuNkulunkulu Jesus Christ didn't do that. Jesus Christ you would even wena eze kuwo or a person aye kuye and bengabajikisi or ayenzeni uyenze appointment. What into mina that I'm trying to say, uyabona izinto like if ungabheka manje abo Bushiri they came ngefame. You understand? And uNkulunkulu into akungase eyakhe. Mfundisi uzostop if kwamanyala.
No,
you understand? Then to show ukuthi abo Bushiri beze ngemandate wrong but basebenzisa ini igama la kaNkulunkulu. That is why today usababona bakuphi basemajele.
No, let me tell you something about Bushiri, ne?
Yes.
And all these men of God.
Yes.
Make no mistake, they are men of God.
Yes, they
But
are.
they're not perfect.
They are
because
not,
we're all
yes.
human. I'll never allow anyone to tell me that Bushiri is a fake prophet. Umoya ongcwele ukhona kuBushiri. It's just that umuntu kunala usebenzisa ukbenefita yena, not the kingdom of uNkulunkulu wezulu. You understand? So sonke sinawo amaphutha.
Yes, iba nephutha but kunephutha leli la kungasebenzisi igama la kaNkulunkulu. I think even noBaba uNkhanyani maybe naye umuntu wasemhlabeni, noShembe umuntu wasemhlabeni, but uyenza njani noma anamaphutha uyenza kahle ukuthi amaphutha wakhe nabantu laba abakhe maybe abanabo balifista ihlazo lakhe. Uyangizwisisa? So mina ngikhulumela kulo osebenzisa igama la kaNkulunkulu nami lele ngilisebenzisayo ukuthi if yena uyalisebenzisa and knowing ukuthi at the back of his mind or inini kunezinto asisebenzisayo uNkulunkulu uzomuyenza sure ukuthi uyahlazeka. And noma hlazekile uNkulunkulu noma ungahlazeka waya kuyo sohleli uyi1 ucela uxolo uzokucolela ngoba uNkulunkulu ocolalayo. Uyazwisisa? But don't use igama la kaNkulunkulu ngendlela embi awucede uzo expect ukuthi we are all human, which means what we are trying to say ukuthi sonke singabulala and at the end of the day we'll always say we are human. uNkulunkulu uzosicolela nabantu basicolela. Umosha abantu abangakho uBushiri asebenzisa igama la kaNkulunkulu bangakho abogogo abakhiphe imali baya kuye bayotitha iziningi. And you are going to say usebenzisa uNkulunkulu to do that. Singabeki igama la kaNkulunkulu
Those are the
gabi.
mistakes, yes.
No, they are mistake how? Because of even though you are doing something, mfundisi singalayilwa imali ukuthi siphume endleleni. Uyazwisisa? I think ukuthi uBarnabas unemali eningi undlula uBushiri, but he's still on the track. You understand? The gweza yena Shembe loyo ukuphi still in the track. Uyazwisisa? What I'm saying ukuthi kuwona namasonto lanko mfundisi lanko wenu enwakhonzayo into esishoyo ukuthi akubonakala igama la kaNkulunkulu.
No, liyabonakala.
Libonakala kanjani mfundisi?
Ngoba siyeza lapho siyeza.
Labonakala.
Ningajahi.
Kanjani? Ngoba angiya
Meke come mfundisi.
okay. Angiya hayi mina ngikhumbuli. Yazi uyabona leyo maybe uBarnabas uyishoyo or kwaShembe uyo mhlamba uyisholayo.
Yazi inkinga yini ne?
Yes.
Nami ngizibeke ku hot seat la. I'm not the spokesperson of Zion Christian Church. Angisi spokesperson in Nazareth, and those leaders of African Christian churches they don't want into zama-social media.
Yes,
Kahle kahle
why?
la ngenza into wrong, yabona?
Eh.
No, the reason is they don't feel they need to prove a point to anyone. They know what they are doing. They know that bakhethiwe, they know that banonkulunkulu. You'll never even interview them.
Yes.
That is why many podcasts I see, they try their level best to tarnish the image of their churches. You'll never even hear them in speakers when they speak to their people busy saying, yeah, but it's on latest standards. They don't care about such, like Jesus didn't care about the Pharisees who were always accusing him of things he was not doing.
Nah, mara lothi ngeke. Mabaya kumtsipe basuke boyenzani. Because baya kumtsipe bavele ma TV ba trend kuma TikTok.
Yeah.
Uyiphendulela naloko
It's a
phela.
national prayer, but what I'm trying to say
Angiyayizwa
is
ipoint yakho ne.
you'll never hear them saying,
Yeah.
but sithandaza inyoka thina sithandaza inyoka. They don't entertain such. It is us the abalandeli ngokuphapha kwethu ukuthi sizo entertainer, but them they don't.
Angeke ngithi mina lento esiyenza wrong, like siku 2026 and
No, I'm not saying it's wrong.
Yes, and we're tired of this barrier of information because labo abancane ababanayo they use it wrongly.
You're right.
That is why abanye baze babe nezakhelo